Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and fix your Messenger story not showing problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply step into our video. For that matter, let's go ahead and open up our Messenger first, and let's say we have opened our Messenger app, and in the stories section, let's say stories section, we cannot get access to story, or if we can see this, even if we tap on that particular story, it's not being played, or it's like some disturbance coming, or it's reloading. Then what you would like to make sure first is simply going to your Play Store and check if an app is updated or not. Go ahead, search Messenger, because sometimes if the app is not updated, that can be one of the reasons, because your app also needs an update for it to work properly, and updating simply helps with some laggings of your app. Simply go ahead, check if the update option is available here, tap on update, and you're good to go. Your app will be updated. And afterwards, other thing that you can make sure of is that your internet connection is good or not, because if it's not, obviously you're gonna face that kind of problem, right? So make sure you can, if you are on a Wi-Fi connection, simply go switch your cellular or your data, and if you're in your data, simply go switch to your good connection of Wi-Fi, and you can again try again. Otherwise, if you're still getting that kind of problem, it might be from your device, it might not be being able to process it. Then you can go ahead, uninstall and again install your app again. That will simply solve your problem. So this is basically the solution. Make sure to try all of them and it'll be solved, y'all. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you got more questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.